Hi, in this video I am going to discuss how to write matrix equations in Latex. First, let's see what are the commands required for matrix equations. Generally, the equations are start with slash begin statement and end with end equation statement. So in between start and end equations, we have to write the matrix equations. So generally the matrix commands are start with slash begin B matrix and end with slash begin B matrix. So in between the matrix equations we need to write. So the matrix columns are separated by the ampersand symbol. Then two backslashes are used to end each matrix lines. Now let's see one symbol 2 into 2 matrix. The given matrix is A1 is equal to 0, 0 and 0 and some equations are there. Now this is labeled with equation 1.1, that is chapter 1 equation 1. So it's labeled as C1 equation 1 and begin with slash begin equations. Now A1 equal the matrices start at this place. So A underscore 1 equal then the matrix is started. So slash begin B matrix. Now the first the column values are 0 0. So 0 separated with ampersand symbol 0 and end with two backslashes. Then the second two column values are 0, then separated with ampersand symbol, then slash fraction minus 1 numerator values and the denominator values c into r plus r underscore c. Then it's ended with a double backslashes. Then end B matrix, then end equations. After executed these equations, we will get the resultant equations in latex form is like this. Now let's see the example for 1 into 1 matrix. The matrix values are B1 is equal to 1 by L and 0. So we are starting with the equation with the slash begin equations and label the equation C1 equation 1, that is chapter 1 and the equation number is 1. Now start with B1 is equal to, our matrix starts after the equal sign. So first we are writing B underscore 1 is equal to slash begin B matrix. Then the first value is 1 by L. So slash fraction 1 and the denominator value is L and end with two backslashes. And the second value is 0. End with slash matrix. Then end with B slash and B matrix and slash and equations. So after executing this program, we will get the final answer. Now similar 1 into 1 matrix, the matrix start with B2 is equal to 1L and the second value is 0. So we are starting with slash begin equation slash label Z1 dot is to equation 1 and B underscore 2 is equal to the matrix starter slash begin B matrix slash fraction 1 the numerator value and the denominator value is L and end with two backslashes and the next value is 0 end with two backslashes, then slash n B matrix and slash n equation. Now let's see 3 into 2 matrix. In this equation total 3 matrices are there. So here this is one equation, this is second equation, this is third equations. Now let's see. The equations start with slash begin equation and it's labeled with chapter 1 equation 1. Then we are starting with slash begin B matrix. So first we are starting with this matrix 1 into 2 matrix. So BD and BQ are the values. So B underscore T backslashes B underscore Q, then end B matrix is equal. So after this matrix finished is equal to another matrix started. So equal slash begin B matrix. Now the values are 1 ampersand minus 1 square root of 2 ampersand minus 1 square root of 2. Now the two backslashes, then the next values are 0 square root of 3 by 2 and ampersand square root of 3 by 2, then end B matrix. So the second matrix is finished. Now third matrix. So slash begin B matrix. The values are B underscore AN1, B underscore B1, BN1, B underscore CN1. Then end with NB matrix and final end equations. So once executed the equations, we will get the final equations this like this. Here the matrix is written in between the equations. So we are starting with the begin equation and label the equations. Then slash fraction di of L L divided by dt. Then close the brackets. Then the denominator value is dv underscore t slash dt is equal to a underscore 1. Now the matrix started. So slash begin B matrix I of t B of t, then end B matrix plus B underscore 1 B underscore S, then end equations. So after executed these equations, we will get the answer like this way. Here the matrix is written in between the equations. So this is the equations, matrix is present in between. So now let's start with slash begin equations and label with app1 dot equation 14. That means the equation is coming under appendix 1 in the thesis and the equation number is 14. So it's given us a dot 14. Then start with the equation slash fraction d underscore L by dt dv underscore t by dt is equal to a2. Now the matrices begin with the slash begin B matrix I of t and B of t are the matrix values. Then n B matrix, then plus B underscore to Vs slash n equations. Now after executing the equations, we will get the output equation, the latex form like this way. Now in this example 2 into 2 matrix, start with slash begin equations and slash label C1 equation 1. So it's coming in the chapter 1 and the equation number is 1 and A underscore 2 on here. It must close with brackets, but bracket is missing here. So it's coming under like this. So A2 underscore 2 1 is equal to slash begin B matrix and the expressions are written and the matrix values are separated with the ampersand symbol and end with the slash and B matrix and slash and equations. So the final expressions we will obtain like this. Thank you.